Hey there, my name is Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Today I have a very special message for you. So if you want to find out more, please let me explain. Okay, so while I was sleeping last night, the subscriber count went over 100,000, and that's really an amazing milestone. So really just a big thank you to all of you that watch my videos, a big thank you to all of you that come down to the comments and we interact down there about the different videos that we are making. Just thank you so much. Now, of course, this is just the beginning. We want to keep on growing the community. We want to keep on making videos. We want to keep on doing stuff that you find interesting to watch and that I find exciting to make. And while we're talking about that, if you do have any ideas of stuff you'd like to see covered, please do tell me in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Now, one quick thing to mention, it's now July 2019 as I'm recording this video. During July, I've got some traveling coming up, so there's going to be less videos posted. And again, in August, I'll try to get back to a fairly normal routine. But during July, don't worry if you don't see quite as many videos from me. Okay, that's it. My name's Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. We've now got 100,000 subscribers, so that's really, really good. And so if you're not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. And, well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.